Yo, welcome everyone. For the past few days, majority seems to have lost interest in Bitcoin. Price is chopping around but not really moving anywhere. People are getting bored and that is exactly when things start to get interesting. So relax and get ready. We are still trading back in our horizontal range because the bottom of the range, acting as the area of support, yesterday was able to hold and Bitcoin got another push towards the upside. However, once you start paying attention to the area of resistance we talked about yesterday, it also does look like Bitcoin was able to reclaim it towards the upside. We flipped the area of resistance directly into the area of support, which is a definitely sign of strength. But right now you're going to see, most probably Bitcoin is going to lose our first area of support towards upside, and later in the video I'm going to show you exactly what is going to be our next very important liquidity level, because we can just see another brand new liquidations cluster. People are, as of right now, for the past couple of hours, going with brand new short or sell positions. Open interest is seeing a push towards the upside, which means money is coming in the market with the selling pressure, which means people are shorting Bitcoin and they're also able to push the price lower. That is simply why, as of right now, this area of support that was flipped into the area of support only a couple of hours ago is now seeing another break towards upside. Not ideal and something we definitely do not want to see. However, because so many people only a couple of hours ago went with a brand new long or a buying position, they were trying to reclaim our area of resistance towards the upside. It looks like market makers are going to attack those specific long positions and most probably wreck them and liquidate them. That is why you really need to pay attention right now to the area of 95,000 US dollars. You can notice on the 1 week time frame, Bitcoin is right now having a brand new liquidations cluster exactly below our recent lows. Why is our previous low right here such an important price target area? Simply because also once we go with our Fibonacci retracement from our swing low back towards the swing high, the golden Fibonacci ratio, it is landing exactly this major liquidations cluster. Not to mention, and I think you're also going to agree with me, the entire price action that has been forming on Bitcoin for the past couple of days right here, it does look some kind of corrective. Once we go right now with our volume indicator, volume is not really coming in the market. We are not seeing any follow through. And also, if we go one step further, one could even say Bitcoin is right now forming some kind of an ascending channel with a higher probability of breaking towards downside. We are going to connect our higher highs with a diagonal, expanding this one slightly lower, and it all looks like we are forming an ascending channel. One could even say some kind of a bear flag, of course, with a higher probability of breaking towards downside. So I really do think that most probably in the next couple of hours, we are going to see push towards downside. Bitcoin is going to take out our recent lows right here. We are going to go directly towards our liquidations cluster. And of course, if there is going to be some kind of a reaction below our recent lows, we could potentially even fire a brand new long or a buy position exactly at our golden Fibonacci ratio. This is also exactly, as you can see right here, where I have my alert set because I want to get alerted once Bitcoin potentially is going to hit our golden pocket at 95,000 US dollars. Yes, as of right now, I am still prepared in a case we are going to go higher with all of those long or buying positions, not only on Bitcoin, also on Ethereum, also on Solana, XRP, Grass, for example, another Bitcoin trade, and also I'm holding so many long or buying positions on different altcoins. However, if the opportunity is going to be offered to us and Bitcoin is actually going to hit our golden Fibonacci ratio right here, we need to see a reaction towards the upside, stop loss below our golden Fibonacci ratio, and we want to see some follow through, acceptance back into our horizontal range, and ideally for Bitcoin to continue its way straight towards a brand new all-time high. That is why we also want to talk about this very interesting chart, which is now talking about the double top pattern. Before we do talk about that, I would really appreciate for you to smash up the like button because 1,000 likes are definitely possible, and also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Let me right now share with you a chart that was shared on Twitter by Stock Money Lizards only a couple of hours ago, and he's right now saying they warned us at $30,000, double top. They warned us at $72,000, double top pattern. They warned us at $108,000, double top pattern. Bitcoin is not done yet. We are still looking for approximately $200,000 this specific cycle. Now, this specific price target, I still do think it's slightly inflamed. I am not looking for such a high price target, but nevertheless, all I would say right here is that everyone right now is getting bored. Everyone is expecting Bitcoin is going to collapse significantly towards downside. The reality is, we trade from level to level. Market structure on the daily time frame on Bitcoin remains bullish, so I don't really see any major reasons why we should already right now be extremely bearish, expecting some kind of a double top pattern to actually play out. It does look like all of those double top patterns that have formed in the past, right now for the past couple of years, it does look like they did not play out. So, if the history is going to rhyme at least a little bit, we should, yes, maybe right now still expect slightly lower targets, maybe our golden Fibonacci ratio, maybe our major liquidations class right here, but nevertheless, I really don't think we are going to see a major break towards downside below our area of support, at least not in the next couple of days. We trade from level to level. We also know where are going to be our next invalidation levels. However, because our first area of support is our liquidations class right here, we monitor what is going to be the reaction at this specific area, and we are going to see if Bitcoin then is going to be able to see once again acceptance back into our horizontal range. No acceptance back into the range, yes, we can look for lower, but nevertheless, we trade from level to level, and as of right now, our next important price target is going to be $95,000. Now, another thing that a lot of people have pointed out to me is going to be that apparently Bitcoin is forming and trading in some kind of a falling wedge pattern. We can connect very simply our lower highs with a diagonal area of resistance. We can also very nicely connect our lower lows with another diagonal area of support. And yes, it really does look like we could maybe even be identifying some kind of the falling wedge pattern. But please, man, be warned if you're going to trade this specific pattern. At the bottom of the pattern, yes, of course, because it's the area of support, because it's a major liquidations class right here, and because if we do see a reaction towards the upside, we can be looking for a brand new long or a buying position. But guess what majority of people are going to be doing? They are going to be bullish at the area of resistance, let's just say at approximately $99,000. And here is where things can get very, very ugly. Going with a long or a buy directly at the area of resistance is never a good idea. Why so? Because once you measure the entire upper price action with the volume, you're going to notice that the value area high is coming in exactly at the top of the falling wedge pattern. Additionally, if you go with another volume, measuring also the entire move towards the upside as well, you can notice another value area high is coming in exactly at the top of the falling wedge pattern. So guess what? People that are bullish exactly at the top of the pattern, they're entering a long position exactly at the area of support. And remember what we usually say, we like to buy low and sell high. We are looking for long or buy positions at the areas of support. We are maybe even taking some profits at the areas of resistances. And going with a long or a buy exactly right here, in my opinion, it's not really the smartest idea. I am not saying we cannot see a successful breakout towards the upside. That is exactly what I would like to see. However, it's always better to fire a long or a buy position at the area of support versus at the area of resistance. That is why at the moment it is still quite smart for you to secure those insane free bonuses using the links down below. Bybit Exchange is right now offering to you a free 500 USDT position airdrop. If you're going to sign up with this specific link right here, after initial deposit you get the position airdrop, but unfortunately the time is running out and Bitcoin is not going to wait for you. So take advantage of the bonus right here with the first link down below after you register and after initial deposit, and potentially you could even go with a brand new long or a buy position if the opportunity is going to be offered to us in the next couple of hours exactly at the liquidations cluster right here. Now, another very important thing that I would like to mention is going to be the tweet I posted only a couple of minutes ago right here. I actually said that it really does look like people are not really interested anymore in Bitcoin, and also it does look like they are not really that interested into different altcoins because we are not moving anywhere. Price is moving up, but then of course also it's get rejected and we are seeing another push towards downside. The daily chart on Bitcoin, it looks everything else but interesting because we are not moving anywhere except towards the right, of course. But yes, if you also then go with the weekly time frame, we are going to close the candle literally in the next 10 hours. So our weekly candle on Bitcoin, it also does look like it is pretty much saying to us we are right now in some kind of an indecision mode. We moved towards the upside, but we got a rejection. We moved towards the downside, but we also got a push towards the upside once again. That most probably means we are going to close this specific candle right here some kind of a doji, which once again means indecision in the market. As I said before, overall speaking, I still want to see higher targets. Overall speaking, I'm still bullish and I am not paying attention to this specific double top pattern. Overall speaking, I am still searching for another long or a buy position in a case the opportunity is going to be offered to us below our recent lows at approximately 95,000 US dollars. And another long position can also be offered to us on Ethereum. Now, let me share with you this insane chart right here that was posted by Crypto Cesar only a couple of hours ago. And yes, of course, as you most probably know, I am already holding another long or a buy position on Ethereum as well from approximately 2,581 US dollars. You can notice that he is going with some insane Fibonacci price targets, and it looks like this specific Fibonacci channel, it is being tested almost exactly, and we are seeing a very nice reaction already towards the upside. Very nice area of support that historically has been a very nice area of resistance, but of course, once broken towards the upside, it is going to be another significant area of support. So if you right now ask me, is this the area for you to go with a short or a sell position, or potentially maybe even buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy Solana, buy Cardano, or whatever altcoin you're right now interested in, I would definitely say we are at the support area. Market structure remains bullish. We are still forming higher highs, higher lows. There is no reason right now for you to be bearish, and that is simply why, at least in my opinion, it is still smart for you to go with a long or a buy position. Or of course, if you're looking for a spot buy, simply go with another buy position. I am not looking for any sells at this specific area, knowing that Ethereum hit a very important support level, knowing that everyone is getting bored, knowing that everyone is paying attention to some kind of a double top pattern. Now, additionally, this specific chart is also one that I really want to share with you because Butcher actually said, sell in May and go away. That's the tweet. And he's talking about the altcoin season, paying attention to the crypto total market cap, excluding top 10 dominance. And you can right now see how nicely, usually, we are seeing a very nice push toward the upside in season Q1. We got a very nice push up from February till May in 2017, and altcoins definitely exploded towards the upside. Also in 2021, from January till May, we got a push towards the upside. And also right here, most probably, we are right now still in February, but nevertheless, if history is going to at least some kind of repeat, we can be expecting another push towards the upside until May 2025. So no, please try not to mess things up at the moment in the next couple of months right here, because simply the data is clear. Usually we are expecting February and also March and also maybe April and also maybe May, if you look like that, to be slightly more bullish, not only for Bitcoin, also for the entire cryptocurrency market. We know where are our key levels, we know where is going to be our invalidation level, we know where we are looking for a brand new long or a buy position. So overall speaking, I remain bullish on Bitcoin, expecting a brand new all-time high sooner rather than later, literally to be formed in the next couple of months. That is why I still do think it's quite smart for you to secure those insane free bonuses using the links down below after you register and after initial deposit. And thank you for smashing up the like button.